bought a new polish. It's from Color Club and it's called Primrose, and it's really beautiful. I love this kind of shade of pink because I don't have this shade. It's a kind of like not normal pink, but yeah, kind of a shade of a pink. And this is from the English Garden collection, but I only bought this polish. I just wanted to mention it. I will be using another Color Club. This one is called We're Liming, and it's a neon green, also very beautiful. As you know, Color Club is my #1 polish. Base coat, Essence. This is their newest base coat. Moyra Water top coat. Star of the show is Moyra. This is foil polish, normal polish, and it's black. I'll also use some Moyra rhinestones. They are like super sparkling when you wear them. I'll use a normal makeup sponge, and as I have explained before, I'm gonna make a gradient, and I do not wet the sponge before I start my gradient. I know some people do, but for me it's best without. Works best for me without making it wet. But it's up to you if you what you wanna do. Stamper. Today I'm gonna use my Moyra stamper. I love this color of the stamper. You can take the bottom off, which I really love about some stampers, when they can do that. New stamping plate, and it's from Moyra, and it's called Lamour, and it's number 61. Lamour. I'll be using foil. This is foil from Aliexpress, and it's a roll. I bought it many months ago, so I don't know if it's still available, but you can go into
Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm unbothered and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash. You the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really getting kinda boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit. Ooh. I need a mop to clean the floors, too much drip. Ooh. I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep a whip.
So I'm gonna start stamping, and I will use the Moyra foil, and I'm just gonna stamp as normal. And after I have stamped, I have cut a piece of foil here. I'm gonna dab with the foil. So what you do is you stamp as normal, and when you finish stamping, you apply the foil. This is the finished design. If you like my tutorial, my design, remember to hit the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, remember to subscribe. Tomorrow I'll be buying some new nail polish, some nail art stuff, and more. So if you want to see what I bought, I will be showing you some of the things in my next video. Have any questions about the foil polish or any other question about my videos, nail art, you can write them in the comments and I'll try to answer.